in Mason's new bedroom, about to put it together, but we can't find Mason. Not over there.
How'd
You
get up
are
there?
a cornball.
How'd you get up there? Did you climb up there?
Look at I'm doing that.
I know. Show me how you got up there.
I climbed.
Show me how you got up there.
Ready, set.
Alright, show me how you got up there. Show me how.
That was funny climbing.
You got all the way up there by yourself.
Yeah, but let me still lying.
And what's your nickname?
Kind of told me said that they are funny.
That's a long name. What's your name that starts with M?
Mason the Day, Connor Joy, Mason the Day.
No,
Alright, come on, get
that
down.
right there is how you got the name Monkey.
Alright, come on.
I don't see
You gonna jump down on Dad?
You gotta. Hey, come on.
Let's show everybody how you jump down on Dad. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off then.
Alright, that's okay. She turned it off.
He's gonna give himself a wedgie.
I slide it down.
You slid?
Slid down.
Yeah, can I try it again? Show you me how to. I did that.
Show me how you slid down.
Yeah. Like that way.
Bye, everybody.